I am Professor Dr. P.C.S. Devara from Amity University, Haryana, Gurugram. At the outset, I am highly thankful to the organizers of the International R&D Awards and Summit 2022. I am very happy to be associated with this important ceremony. In the next few minutes, I will be talking about my background and some of my major achievements. I obtained PhD in space physics from Andhra University, Visakhapatnam in 1980. On the topic, study of upper atmospheric winds and radio meteors using meteor wind radar technique, which was first of its kind in East Asia. Since then, I have been working in the area of radio and optical remote sensing of the atmosphere. Later, I joined the Indian Institute of Tropical Meteorology, IITM Pune, in December 1980. There, I worked in various capacities, including scientific advisor at the Indian Institute of Tropical Meteorology, Pune, Ministry of Earth Sciences, Government of India. Between December 1980 and February 2014, I developed a galaxy of laser radar or LiDAR systems involving helium neon, argon ion, dye, XMR, differential absorption LiDAR, Nd:YAG based dual polarization micropulse LiDAR, multipurpose Raman LiDAR, Doppler wind LiDAR, and CO2 LiDAR techniques, and associated inversion algorithms for determining aerosols and trace gas distributions over the atmosphere and oceans. During this period, my main research investigations include active and passive remote sensing of atmospheric aerosols and gases, aerosol cloud precipitation, climate interactions, air-sea coupling, Earth-atmosphere radiation balance, environmental pollution, and air quality and upper atmospheric structure, stratification, composition, and dynamics. I also developed laser scintillometer techniques for the study of atmospheric turbulence and dynamics, crosswinds in the surface layer. I also developed the solar radiometric techniques like high spectral resolution radiometer, spectral radiometer for determining columnar, aerosol, ozone, and water vapor optical depths and aerosol size distribution. I have organized several bilateral cooperative research programs such as Indo-US, Indo-USSR, Indo-Bulgaria, Indian Ocean Experiment, LiDAR and Space Technology Experiment, Cloud Aerosol LiDAR, Pathfinder, Satellite Observations, Megatropics, etc. And also, I worked on national collaborative research projects such as ISRO Geosphere Biosphere Program, Bay of Bengal Monsoon Experiment, Arabian Sea Monsoon Experiment, Continental Tropical Convergence Zone Experiment, Climate Research and Environmental Monitoring Experiment, and Indian Research Remote Sensing, IRS P3, P4, P6, Polar Orbiting Satellites, OceanSat, and Cloud Aerosol Interaction, Precipitation Enhancement Experiment, KIPEX, Stratoclim, etc. And all these programs, we worked on the CalVal programs, calibration and validation programs, besides some important findings. Also, I reviewed several sponsored research projects for finding and research papers for publication in reputed and high impact factor journals. I received several awards, namely Young Scientist Award, J. Dasgupta Award, Bharat Jyoti Award, Best Citizens of India Award, Golden Jubilee Award, and 6th, 7th, and 25th Silver Jubilee Awards of Indian Institute of Tropical Meteorology, Pune. Eminent Scientist Award, Best Research Award in 2020, and Lifetime Achievement Award and Asia's Top 50 Scientist Award in 2021 for original research contributions in the field of atmosphere and oceanic sciences. I am President of Indian Aerosol Science and Technology Association, IASTA, Fellow of Asian Aerosol Research Assembly, AARA, Asia, Fellow of Royal Meteorological Society, UK, Fellow of Institution of Electronics and Telecommunication Engineers, IETE, and Fellow of Andhra Pradesh Academy of Sciences, Fellow of Maharashtra Academy of Sciences, and Fellow of Society of Earth Sciences. I am also a member of more than 30 professional scientific bodies and committees. I am an expert reviewer of Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, IPCC, United Nations Environmental Protection, UNEP, and European Science Foundation, ESF. I am also a member of World Climate Research Program in stratospheric processes and their role in climate scientific steering group, and I'm also a member of Executive Committee, International Commission on Clouds and Precipitation, ICCP. So far, I published more than 585 research papers, of which 275 papers published in peer-reviewed, reputed national and international journals, and about 310 papers in proceedings of conferences, symposia, book chapters, and scientific reports, etc. I supervised so far 11 research students for their PhD degree and over 45 students in their postgraduate degrees of MTech and MSc. Right now, I have been imparting guidance to 9 research fellows for their PhD degree. I delivered several keynote addresses and invited talks or leading talks at national, international platforms. I'm also working as faculty teaching courses on atmospheric optics, remote sensing of atmospheric and marine aerosols, gases, clouds, radiation, and stability parameters to the students of MSc and MTech, MS, students of universities, defense, and national research organizations. I am also editor of Aerosol and Air Quality Research AAQR Journal of Taiwan, and I'm also member of editorial boards of Advances in Meteorology Journal USA, Atmosphera Journal Mexico, Indian Journal of Radio and Space Physics, and reviewer of several leading national and international journals. After superannuation, I joined Amity University, Haryana, Panchgam, Manesar, Gurgaon, India in March 2014 as director and professor. I implemented new initiatives of Center for Ocean Atmospheric Science and Technology, ACOAST, and Amity Center for Environmental Science and Health, ACESH, and established an advanced climate research laboratory and air quality monitoring stations with a suite of instruments involving cutting-edge technology to carry out academic and research innovations on air quality, energy, hydrology, weather, and climate. I organized a workshop on role of aerosols in air quality, weather, and climate at AUH on 8th January 2015, and also an Indo-US symposium on air quality and health issues, the global experiences at AUH in November 2016. I also actively participated in Ladakh expedition campaign measurements, which have been organized under the Earth and Space Exploration Program of Amity Mars mission over the Ladakh and Leh and adjacent high latitude regions. I have conducted extensive studies during the COVID-19 pandemic, and some of the interesting results like the indoor pollution, and some of the significant results have been published in high impact fact journals. Recently, I was involved in development of low-cost techniques such as Maya Amod, multi-angle imager, aerosol investigations, and aerosol mass and optical depth sensors, which have been installed at our university in collaboration with Yoma University Healthcare Research Center, Georgia, USA, and IIT Delhi for studying air quality impacts on human health hazards. Recently, we have signed a prestigious Memorandum of Understanding between NASA Aerosol Robot Network, Aeronet, Goddard Space Flight Center, Maryland, USA, and Amity University, Haryana, Gurugram. Also, we have signed another Memorandum of Understanding between India Meteorological Department, IMD, New Delhi, and Amity University, Haryana, Gurugram. We are also working on academia industry joint research collaborating program with Ecotech Private Limited, Melbourne, Australia, since 2017. Once again, I thank the organizers for giving me this opportunity. Thank you all.